What's up, Jizza? This is Stephen Powell, aka Jones Nice. I study geology here, and I'm gonna rap about rocks. Let's go. The moment in the soliloquy as I respond to me in the SiO2 mirror of quartz, you'll be learning. You can call me the teacher, the storyteller, the string. I tie the past to the present through geological means. It started with stars a burning, they're working and getting big. Factory elementals, someday be trees, kings, and twigs. Political bigwigs and boats to ride in. All matter was created and destined from bangs big. Blink. A flash of light potential, hope and heat, a waltz of hydrogen, helium, swaying, magnifique. All the 9 planets invited, dressed up in starsuits and ties. Too bad in 2006, Pluto had to say bye. But don't let me get ahead, tripping over my toes. Things are getting real heavy. 4.5 billion years ago, there are no creatures, no critters, but a primordial ooze. Compelling single-cell parties with prokaryotic groove. And though processes be creeping, trust me, and soon you'll see fossil representations, manifestations of feet. Bada bing fascination, exploding Cambrian station. No more O2 rise and fall, banded iron representation. So as sediments deposited, falling down on the ground, with the oldest on the bottom and the top stuff from now, we see geochronology is the story enough. Fossils locked up in sandstone, recorded lithified stuff. Now check the structure, one's bumping right there up under your toes. See the makings of mountains from the uplift of the flow. So as tectonic collisions create and make what we see, we know why dinosaur cousins can be seen crossing the seas. So if we talk about dinos starting in Triassic time, the origin around million-year mark at 245. And if a paleontologist you walk up to and ask, he'll say not counting the birdies, the dinosaurs didn't last. So now we look in and wonder at how old the earth can be, from a point of no oceans to creatures filling the seas. If you put all the eras and eons into a year, only in the last minute would Homo habilis be here. So at the top of stratigraphy, the top of the shelf, if we're still in the year of time with the countdown at 12, there'd be prowess and power, we'd see humanity's might. Homo sapiens kicking and rocking, feeling alright. So now you know what you feel it, your brain feels great. It's an immaculate feeling doing science all day. There is an infinite number of conundrums to solve, so don't just sit around brewing, get up and solve them all. Let's go use X-ray fluorescence and tools like XRD. I'm up in fire and lasers to answer rock quandaries. This is my playground of science. I may be a ripple in the sea, but soon you know we'll contribute to the knowledge of humanity. That's science!